Okay, this is Edwin painting. Gonna we replace the two boards. We're gonna watch we send in. We clean it up, all decay on boards. We replace two boards on the deck. Now we are watching, and we're gonna put just one coat of stain. Edwin Painting LLC 434-234-7473.